So Block are surging after posting an earnings beat, and joining us now on set to discuss, Dan Dolev from Mizuho. I think this is another one of your correct calls, yes?
Yes, thank you.
All right, just want to give you some props there. What was the biggest upside surprise here in this? Last time we checked, I think it was up like 13%. I don't know if that's holding.
Yeah, I think with the market, it's a great quarter. I know there's been some misses and some beats, but what I want to focus on is a couple of things. The monetization rate sequentially up 5 basis points. That's huge. So it's how much they can get charge people on the Cash App as a percent of volumes. It's at 148 versus 143 before. Inflows are really strong sequentially up. So people are flowing more money into the Cash App, and they're guiding EBITDA higher than the high number that they guided before. So kind of checking, all the marks here, it looks really good.
5-10 years ago, Venmo was the thing that young people were, using for digital money. Cash App has sort of taken over. Why is Cash App a better model than Venmo? Because I know you don't like PayPal, which owns Venmo, and the idea is that there's very little business structure around Venmo. Why is Cash App different?
I think there's more focus, and it's more viral, and it's kind of sexier, right? So they've turned it. Jack Dorsey turned it into a really sexy product. There's, music that bears the Cash App name, et cetera. So people like it, and it sort of naturally grows. You don't need to advertise it, and that's what makes it so great.
The company is raising full-year profit guidance. We know there's been a lot of cost cutting at this company, and it sounds like, based on the CFO comments that were given to Kate Rooney, that financial discipline is set to continue. How much can this company, continue to pull these levers to realize greater profitability in this environment?
There's a ton more. So if you go back to their 2017 Analyst Day, they could do like 40, 45, 50% adjusted EBITDA margins. So way higher than what they're forecasting right now. So the machine has the opportunity to generate really, really high margins once you get the scale.
Bitcoin. We're going to talk about it. Jack Dorsey, sort of one of the fathers or proselytizers of the cryptocurrency. It's in the results again here. How to think about that, where this company is concerned, especially as things like profitability start to take on greater significance.
Yeah, it's a great story, but it used to be very correlated with Bitcoin, and it sort of lost that correlation if we go back to like 2018, 2019. So for anyone that's kind of bullish on Coinbase, because of the Bitcoin correlation, look at what happened to Square. So it's a great story, but it doesn't drive the story anymore. So what drives it is profitability, inflows, all the products in the Cash App, as you mentioned. Those are the things that make, Square so great.
What about Afterpay? I'm reading some places that downloads have slowed down faster than other buy now, pay later offerings. So is there trouble there in their being able to build a customer base and the right kind of volume and data knowledge that they'll need for that to be successful?
Yeah, undoubtedly. It's, I would say, a weaker link here in this whole story. It's not the best part of the story, and I still have to dig through the numbers, but you're seeing companies like Affirm, which I like a lot. Like the execution gap has gotten really wide. But it's okay to be not the number one in a great secular story.